Okay, guys, we're moving on to question 5, which we are going to be talking about Wakanda. Okay. It says Wakanda is a fictional country created by Marvel Comics, located in sub-Saharan Africa. It is home to the superhero Black Panther. Wakanda first appeared in Fantastic Four. I don't know if that's number 52 or hashtag 52, July 1966, and was created by Stan Lee and Jack Kirby. In the Marvel comic universe, Wakanda is located just north of Lake Turkana, at a point bordering Kenya, Ethiopia, Uganda, and South Sudan. Okay, apologies if I am not pronouncing anything correctly. Okay. If the map distance between Lodwar and Finchawa, or Finkawa, I'm not sure how you say that, measured 11.3 centimeters, then determine, using the bar scale, the actual distance between these two cities. So what's important with these sort of questions is we must always have our ruler, okay? Because we have to measure, right, the ratio or the scale of the map that we have. So if I'm reading this correctly, it looks like it is 1 to... looks like it's almost 2.8 centimeters to 100 kilometers. Okay, so 2.8 centimeters on the map is 100 kilometers in reality. Okay, so what we need to do is we want to know how much 11.3 centimeters is in reality. Okay, that's what we want to find out. Okay, how many kilometers that distance is in reality. Okay, so what we have, right, is we could go like this. Let's convert this to 1 centimeter to so many kilometers. So, importantly, how do we get from 2,8 to 1? We're going to divide it by 2,8, right? But whatever you do to the one side of a ratio, you must always do to the other. So we're going to have to divide the 100 kilometers, right, by 2.82. Okay, you can keep that in your calculator because we're going to need that. Okay, so it says 1 centimeter equals 35.71 kilometers. So now 11.3 centimeters is going to just equal 35.71 times by 11.3 centimeters, which we have as 403. Right, so that question mark equals 403.57 kilometers. Okay, and this is quite important, okay, because what I've done is I've rounded it off, I've kept it in kilometers, and we see that it kind of makes sense, right? Because if 2,8 is 100, we would expect 11.3 to be substantially more than 100, which it is, okay? So that's how we go about it. I would definitely do this as opposed to just trying to go from 2.8 straight to 11.3. It just makes it a little bit easier to go from 1 to 11.3. But do what you find easiest. This is what I find easiest. You need to make sure that you can do this question. As long as you understand it and you do it correctly, I'm happy. Okay, that's 5.1 done. Let's move on to 5.2.